This is the Xhorse. It's the Key Tool Plus. We'll get all into the bits and pieces. I just got it literally a couple hours ago. We're going to unbox it and we're going to take a peek at it. And hopefully it's got some cool features that I really need badly for, and we'll talk about that too. So let's see what we got here. Let's unbox it and let's see if it's got the special cables we need. Okie dokie. What do we got here? Nice case. Here is the Xhorse Key Tool Plus. So let's see what we got here. I've never seen one. I've been looking at them online. This may have exactly what I need. Oops. So, instructions. Oh, most instructions are useless. Let's hope for the best. We have, it appears to be, oh, we can hold it in our hand. Nice little strap. Right off the bat, it looks kind of rugged, looks pretty good. I've heard good things, but let's see how it works for us. We got a couple ports. Everything looks really, really nice. Apparently, this can reset Toyota Proxes, and we'll be putting that to the test. We're going to actually use this as our go-to machine. We've got a contract. We've got quite a bit newer cars, and so we've been running across problems. So let's see if that's got that. What do we have in here? Cable. Looks like the recharging cable. Oh, OBD2 cable. Serial port connection. A couple of adapters. Everything looks like they're very well built. And this will probably be, oh, Xhorse super transponders. I've been happy with some of their other products. We'll talk about that later. Let's see what else we got here. So, wow. More cables. The Ford? Yeah. I haven't looked it up, but I think this is the real problem I have right now. The newer Fords, if they go into alarm, you have to reset the alarm. And nothing we have can do it. So this is what started the big push. If you look at my previous videos, I have 5 or 6 car key programmers. Nothing has this at the moment. I think one of the products may have something, but this is what we're running across an awful lot of. Newer Fords, the alarm is going off, and you cannot program a key without this and the compatible software in here. And then what else we got? Very well, the box is excellent. On this side, whoa, this looks like flasher. This looks like stuff to reprogram. Again, this is just a quick unboxing. We're going to put this right into the field starting in the morning. So this is kind of late at night. Got it, wanted to unbox it, show it off, and we're going to play with it. Give me a couple of weeks. We're going to have some in-depth programming of this. We'll say what it can and can't do. We're going to use it as our go-to programmer, and then just see how we do, you know, the Ford bypass, the alarm reset, the Ford alarm reset. We're going to use the Chrysler Star. I don't know which one that is. Hopefully that's in here. We have some Star cables anyways, but we're running across those Chrysler, Dodge Ram with the Star cable. What a pain in the butt the Star connectors are so far. Had a car, 2018, said there was a Star connector. We looked everywhere for it. There was nothing, so just programmed it. There's no Star cable. Had another one, said it didn't have a Star cable, and it had a Star cable. So it's all over the map right now with some of the products out there. So we're going to give this a really good test starting in the morning. I'll have some little updates as we go along. We'll start saying what it can and can't do. So far, impressed. Let's see what happens. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.